In this video, I will show you how to convert grams to kilograms or pounds in Microsoft Excel. You can use this formula for kilogram. Like you want to convert your grams into kilogram. So type this formula equal, then convert, select it, this convert, and here select this gram cell, comma, and type here G with this inverted symbol, then comma. Now here you have to type this symbol for kilograms, so kg, then inverted and closing bracket, press enter. Now drag and drop. So this way you can convert grams into kilograms in Excel, and also you can convert your grams into pound. So you have to use this formula. Equal and convert, equal and convert, double click on it, select this gram cell, comma, and type here G, and for pound you have to type letter LBM, and closing bracket, press enter. So this way you can convert your grams into pound. So thanks for watching.